Hey guys, this is part one of our Train Smarter, Not Harder series. Today I'm going to talk about 3 mistakes that you might be making at the gym that are compromising your spine. Obviously, with me being a chiropractor, I see a lot of spine injuries from people who have very good intentions. They're getting in the gym, so that's half the battle. But once you're in the gym, you might be doing some things that are actually making your spine worse. The first most common thing that I see is people hyperextending their lower back, specifically when they're doing overhead pressing. One of the sort of foundational reasons for this is when you press a bar overhead or a dumbbell, if you don't have the requisite shoulder mobility, meaning that you can't really get your arm overhead comfortably, what people will do is they'll start to arch their back and turn the exercise into like an incline press, right? By doing this, now instead of putting all the load through your shoulders and through your upper back that have the capacity to support the weight, now you're putting that stress through your facet joints in your back. And so I see a lot of patients that are like, Doc, I'm not even doing leg exercise. I'm skipping leg day. I'm doing a lot of shoulder press, a lot of bench press, and my back hurts. Well, it's because they're overarching their back. So what we would do here is focus on improving upper back mobility and improving shoulder mobility so that they're able to do these exercises without arching the back. The second thing that I see, which I think patients are very familiar with, is during deadlifting motions, they're rounding their lower back. So specifically when you're doing any type of hip hinge, particularly like a Romanian deadlift, what you want to do is you want your shins to be vertical and you want to push your butt back so you can really load your glutes and hamstrings and keep the middle of your back straight. What people will do is they'll do like this and they will touch the ground and they'll bend through their lower back. What that does is that can cause a lot of disc-related back pain. So sometimes patients will say, when I did trap bar deadlifts or me and my trainer did some RDLs, now I'm feeling some numbness and tingling down my leg, or I'm feeling like my IT band is tight. Well, it's not your IT band, it's actually pain that's being referred from the disc that's causing that IT band discomfort. The third most common thing that I see with patients is while they're doing squatting, for example, they brace after they load. Okay, so what do I mean by this? I'll see patients unrack a bar, walk out of the squat rack, and then tighten up their core and brace. The problem is it's usually too late by then. You've already unracked the bar, you've already put a lot of stress through your lower back. Now you're bracing, but your back's already in a bad position. So what I encourage patients to do is, before you pick up the weights, before you put the bar on your back, before you hold the goblet, brace your core, sit into your hips, don't keep your legs locked out, sit into your hips, unrack the bar with a stable core and maintain it throughout the movement. So do not load before you brace. So there you go, guys. Those are the 3 most common mistakes that I see patients make at the gym that end up causing spine pain. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for part 2. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.